my own crops I planted, all of them are dead because of drought. Lord, why is this happening to me? It's my own difference. My neighbor over there planted something with his own money. We have harvested everything and he sold them. And he has something to eat. Me, I planted with borrowed money. I planted. Now, I don't even have anything to eat from what I borrowed money from. Look at this corn I planted over here. Look at the vegetables, look at everything I planted. No, send rain. Even if it's a shower, just send rain. Let rain fall on these things. So that you can come back to life. God help me, have mercy upon me. God, why is this happening to me? God, why? This is my only source of income. This is my source of food. This is where I feed. This is where I feed my family. Lord, why is this happening to only me? Lord, why? Why? Before I was talking of drought. Now I pray for rain. Now flood has taken over everything. Lord, why is this happening to me? Why is this happening to me? God, help me. My children, all of them, no food, no money to pay their school fees. And somebody is preaching for me, telling me that I should be Christian. What was the thing again? Supernatural what? Supernatural supply in harvest. Me like this, supernatural supply. When I never see to shop, really? I better go. I can't. If I just have a talk, I'm not going to church again. I'm not going. Before I take one shot of margarine from my granite sugar everything.
Romanus. 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 I'm guy. Come out. There is matter there. Come. What did you do there now? Come now. Adeko. Okay. You go inside sit now. I dey shout for this. I don't think it's soft now. I don't say my first see you. Don't take. I don't taste more. Hey, remember that guy that come out to say, Flo, don't take my farm. Don't say hear that news. show you. Where is this one from? You go beg this one. Well, she already got it. It's afraid. Oh, but you got it. What is the this one for this village like this? That man is so powerful. Eh? No, I see that man carry rice. Come up from the compound.
Use your mic.
Which day you go master my house now? Which day you go master my house? Willing guy is there.
Come up with them.
I mean, you know, where is this boy? Steven!
Yes, sir. Please do fast. You know I'm hungry. I want to go out.
I'm Steven. What do you have in the house? Now, go and bring it now. Bring it.
What's happening in this country? The price of things is becoming so high. How will common man survive in this country? What is happening? Just imagine the price of fuel these days.
So this guy the same like.
Is it the only thing you have? But there's no meat in this rice now. Just drop it. Just drop it by meat. Just drop it.
Where are you? Now you are supposed to have you. So if they walk out, come out with the full of No. No.
Who is there?
Now you.
Steven!
Steven, no doubt.
What is this boy? Where is this boy?
Steven, no doubt.
Please, just wait a minute and call me, please.
Okay, sir.
Steven, please check who's at the door.
Where your order? Now this small boy that is doing this money. Where your order go?
Some set of villagers.
Okay, let me just see.
No, villagers.
Hey, my phone.
No, please, don't do that. It's don't do that. What happened that this one that you guys came to my house as early as possible this morning?
Even if you don't see anybody, but if you look me for head, you don't say it is the song.
Me, I know it is the song. I know the condition of this country is critical.
Say we can see you because all these people that people believe they know that faith. You see how you every day night they pray. Every day,
My brother, all this is what you see, like, it's not packaging now. It's not packaging. Just package yourself.
now, wait, now you carry that and I don't buy.
I buy that car just 2 days ago. I just buy it 2 days ago. And I did feel that around that.
But then we soap we use make give us. So we soap we use.
I didn't use any soap, but as you see me like it's not seeing finish. I didn't just
How come it's not so just use to give us now. No, we shall.
I know, I understand what you guys mean by this. Well, first of all, I want to talk to my evil brother here. Brother, I'm really sorry for what happened. I heard the sad news of the flood that's flooding the farmland. At this critical time, issues like this, well, it's not beyond us. It's only God that understands. So please, don't worry. God will make you, okay? So,
this one you talk since you chose the rapper. You know why? You chose the rapper. You cannot just tell me. You will look at all of us in this critical condition. Nigeria is not, and you are telling me that there's supernatural supply for where?
So, since you guys said you want to know the kind of soup I'm using, and you want to know the kind of jazz I'm using, you want to know the kind of cream and what have you that I'm using, but let me shock you guys. Should I shock you now? Okay. The truth of the whole matter is, we all attend the same church, right?
Yes.
And at the beginning of the year, what was our theme for the year? Supernatural. No, very correct. And what was the harvest theme for the year? My year of supernatural supply. And the harvest theme says harvest of supernatural supply. So that is the secret to my success.
I think make you reach like this.
Now what's make me blow?
Wow.
You know what happened? At the beginning of the year, when the topic was introduced, I keyed into that particular topic and I said, I've been suffering. Standing in the Gary now, Gary make me sit at the wear glass and this.
Let me go together, but see, we see the trend, we see the trend.
I keyed into that particular thing. And do you know what? That has been my secret. And that thing has been working for me as an individual. I don't know, because I said to myself, God, this year, I want this thing to be part of my success. And ever since I keyed into that particular thing, I saw everywhere, not just the open. But some things said, I don't even know the way they happen will happen. And God has been faithful. So please, I know you guys misunderstood this particular thing. You can as well that this is done as well, but it's never too late. This thing is not just for beautification. This thing here is a very strong prayer. You key into this particular thing, and it will work for you just like the way it has been working for me. That is the secret of my success, and I've been working towards it, and God has been favoring me. So, you may ask how you not you have to pay your tithe frequently. You have to sow seed, good seed, and you must sow those seed in obedience, total obedience, not in partial obedience. You must sow your seed in complete obedience. And as you do that, you see God working because that's what people are doing. It's not conceit. It's not conceit. It's not conceit.
You will so call him money. This farmer said, calm down.
He's a farmer now. Let him bring the crops.
Calm down. I've told you the secret. And from time to time, I'll be working with you guys so that you also can properly enjoy the same success.
But now your house will come.
My house, there's no problem. There's no problem. I have it in abundance. Gary, do this thing. So, no problem. As we do that together, we will open for us all in Jesus' name.
Thank you, sir.
So, brothers, I don't know how far you take this particular thing. Okay, except you guys should come and have this. Yes, you can have this. But I'll see you later within the course of the week. Yes, I will send something to you guys. Thank you, sir. Praise the Lord. So, brethren, I don't know how far you taking this thing lightly, but I want to tell you this. I want to tell you that there's power in supernatural supply. Just like the Bible said in the book of Philippians chapter 4, verse 10, that my God shall supply all my need according to his riches in glory. As you keep into this, may the Lord supply all your riches in Jesus' name. Amen.